Welcome to this edition of Burn Tech University presented by Breckwell. In today's video, we'll show you how to properly replace the igniter module in your SP24 pellet stove. The tools needed for today's project are a 7/16" socket driver, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a 1/8 inch Allen wrench, and a pair of needle nose pliers. First, make sure your stove is completely cool and then remove the power cord from the back of your stove. Next, using your number 2 Phillips screwdriver, remove the 6 screws securing the back of the stove. Once removed, use both hands to remove the back of the stove and set it aside away from your work area. In order to access the igniter module more easily, in today's video we will also remove the auger motor. Next, locate and unplug the 2 wire leads coming from the auger motor that attach to the wiring harness. Locate the retainer clip holding the auger motor to the auger drive shaft. While supporting the auger motor with one hand, use your needle nose pliers to remove the retainer clip. The auger motor should then drop down free from the auger drive shaft. Now that we've removed the auger motor, locate the 2 wire leads leading from the igniter module and unplug them from the wiring harness. Now, using your nut driver, remove the 2 bolts that hold the igniter module in place. Once the bolts are removed, the igniter module and igniter housing will easily slide free from the stove. Then, using your Allen wrench, loosen the set screw on the back of the igniter module. This will allow the igniter module to slide free from the housing. Now, take your new igniter module and insert it into the igniter housing. Leave approximately 1/4 inch from the end of the housing to the tip of the igniter module. Then, tighten your set screw back up to hold the igniter in place. Just like you removed it from the stove, insert the igniter housing and the igniter module back into its proper hole in the back side of the stove. Then, replace the 2 bolts and tighten securely with your nut driver. Once secure, be sure to reconnect the 2 wire leads from the igniter back to the wiring harness. Once the igniter is in place, it's now time to replace our auger motor. Place it between the 2 flanges, line up the hole in the auger shaft, and insert the retaining clip. Once the retaining clip is secure and the auger motor is in place, reconnect the 2 wire leads to the wiring harness. Now, to put the stove back together, simply set the back of the stove over the screws and slide it into the slot. Then, using your number 2 Phillips screwdriver, secure the back to the stove. Now that you successfully completed your repair, be sure to plug your stove back in and check for proper operation. Thank you for watching this edition of Burn Tech University. Should you have any further questions, please visit our website at www.breckwell.com or contact our customer service toll-free at 1-866-606-8444. Thank you for watching Burn Tech University.